Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to change order of products in Shopify, and it will be a quick full guidance video. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. So as you can see, this is our Shopify dashboard, and if you want to see the front end design of our Shopify store, you can see it from that place. And this is the product we have. Like, we have a couple of products here. So the main thing is how we can change the order of product list. So it is really easy. So you need to visit on product, and here you can see we have a couple of products over here. So how we can change the order list of the product? So you just need to visit on the collection, and here you just need to be a create collection that will be shoes. Like, you just need to be divided everything under a category. Just browse it, and then you just need to be add your all the things over here one by one, then save it. Once you save it, then similarly you need to be come back here and create your collection again, and then shirt, and then click on, you just need to be browse this first, then add the shirt, jeans, and click on save. And once you save, now you can easily change this order. Like, you are allowed to drag it drop, so you have the options to do it. If you check this out, then here you can check the list. So let's click on this shirt option, and then it will redirect you to the here. And now let's visit our online store in the new tab, and then you will get the access of themes. You just need to click on this customize options. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to this page, and here you just need to find out the collection page and click on default collection. So as you can see, this is the collection page, this is the shirt. So I'm going to edit on this. So just click over here, and now here you can see we have a couple of options: image ratio, image shape, then columns, scheme, and main thing. So here you can see it's so much easy. And then let's give you the overview of the eventual result. So here you can see, as you can see, jeans, then new shirt. And if you want to change anything, you just need to remove it, then just browse it and save it, and then save it again, and in this way you can get this list. Here you can see, so you can change your order list by doing this simple task in your Shopify desktop. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button.